Okay, this is the Prusa MK3 S Plus that's causing me some problems. So the first thing I'm going to do is upgrade the firmware, reflash the firmware I should say. I'm connected directly to the PC. I'm going over here to the firmware flasher. I'm going to paste in the path for the E3D Revo Firmware MK3 S Plus 3_13_3 7094 hex. And I'm going to rescan here. I found the printer on COM4. So let's get an advanced output log because that sounds like fun. And let's hit flash. That's not really working. Is it upset for the... Seems to be ready. Is it upset because I put the whole path in there? Let's try that again. Well, I know that's not valid. There we go. So again, we'll pick the one that's for the 313 for the MK3 S Plus. We'll open that and see if that's happy now. There we go. Now it's happy. Flashing in progress. Device signature. I'm gonna have to hold this camera here for a while. I believe it's now verifying. Verify. No errors. No errors. So that looks like... Oh, okay. Thank you. And flashing failed. Please see the log. Could not open port COM4. It's rebooting here. But it does say flashing failed. Please see the log below. AVR dude 6.2-2016-0220 Prusa 3D from April 5th, 2024. That sure seems cool. Could not open COM4. Let's rescan. Let's get the device manager up here. Let's see what we got for COM ports. It is on COM4, so I guess we could flash it one more time. Could not open COM4. So let's reset this. Factory reset. Let's try to flash it again. Flashing failed. COM4 access is denied. Well, nobody else has COM4 open. I don't think. Let's try again. Flash printer firmware. Browse. The S Plus. Flash. Could not open port COM4. I unplugged and replugged the USB cable to the printer, and that allowed me to do it again. I promise not to disconnect the printer. Strange that it failed the first time. It reset and couldn't reopen the COM port. %95 done. Let's go up here. Writing was 100% done in 46.16 seconds. The input file looks correct. Yeah. 246440 bytes. Reading on-chip data. So it's 9798. Oh, here we go. Flashing in progress. Please do not. Yada yada. Initialized and ready to accept instructions. So now it's upgrading the X flash. Okay, well that's new. Maybe that's the problem. Now it looks like it's still upgrading the X flash. And it's reading it. Flashing succeeded. Okay. We'll close that. And yes, we would like to go through the process, but we'll get ourselves a little chunk of filament first. With one hand. This is harder than it seems. Okay. Yes. Okay, but the thing is, we don't want to do that here because it's on a chair. So let's bring this over to a proper flat surface. We'll use the operative part of the table saw, the table. I'd like to do this in one take so there's no thought of hijinks going on here. All right. So that should be on again, and it is. Yes, I would like that. Up to 24 minutes. Well, we can do that. It's going up to the top to calibrate Z. Z is in Z. Please clean the nozzle for calibration. Click when done. Yeah, it's clean. There's not a steel heat sheet on there. Place a sheet of paper under there. Well, we're going to say go. Okay. Look at that, a sheet of paper from E3D. It's a 3D printing paper. Uh-oh, I don't have the sheet of paper ready. Oh, I got it just in time. No problem on that one. Paper is essentially transparent to electromagnetic fields, so the inductive proximity sensor has no problems getting through it. Calibration point 2. Well, we did that. Place steel sheet on heat bed. We can do that. Okay. it's about as fresh as we can make this whole thing. So it's 61C right now. Let's do a little firmware check when this 7094. C10A is the board. E3D Revo. I forget that temperatures are here. Dump memory. All right. We're still not down to room temperature. I was going to do one PID calibration, so let's see if we can get that thing down to, let's go up here to info. We still have a TM error, so we'll hit clear on that. I don't know if there's a way to make the fans, to turn the fans on. Oh, I just hit thermal model calibration. I probably shouldn't have done that. I don't really want to abort it. Stopped. I mean, it is too hot already to start that, I think, so... Oh, yeah. Well, that's kind of where I am.